What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another YouTube video. In this video we are going to tackle data science interview questions number 26 up to number 30. Now before we actually begin guys, I'd like to mention, right, you guys know that currently in this data science interview questions series on the channel, we are covering an average of 5 questions and answers per video. Now the thing is, it is going to take quite a few videos until we actually complete these data science interview questions. We need to reach, I think, up to question 70 or 75 or so. Now what I'm thinking is, let's just try to do as many as we can in each video, and I will cut the video off at maybe 10 to 12 minutes or so, 12 minutes maximum, but we'll try to keep it between 10 and 11 minutes. So I just think 10 or 11 minutes is kind of like the feasible duration of a video to upload on YouTube. As you guys have been seeing on the channel, the videos are varying, pertaining to the data science interview questions. They are varying in duration, and I'd like to keep a sort of conformity or some sort of trend in the duration of the video. So let's not waste too much of time. Let's actually get straight into this. So we begin with data science interview question number 26. Describe the star schema. Star schema, it's a classic database schema with a single central table. Satellite tables translate IDs to physical names or descriptions and can be linked to the central fact table via ID fields. These tables are known as lookup tables and are most helpful in real-time applications since they save a lot of memory. To recover information faster, star schemas may use numerous layers of summarization. So guys, in the star schema, you should know the central table is the primary table, it's the main table, and as you can see, it is called a fact table, the central fact table. The tables that are scattered around the central table, or I should mention, the tables that actually reference the primary table, those are known as satellite tables, okay, because of the fact that they are sort of scattered in this kind of orbit around the central fact table. You can also call them lookup tables. So that's what we have there. Now, data science interview question number 27. How often should an algorithm be updated? Here are 3 situations when you should update an algorithm. Number 1, when you want the model to develop as data flows through infrastructure. Number 2, the source of the underlying data is shifting. And number 3, there is a non-stationarity case. So that's what we have there. That should actually be non-stationary. I'm not sure how that turned out to be like that. Anyway, data science interview question number 28. What is the difference between eigenvalue and eigenvector? So understanding linear transformations requires the use of eigenvectors. In data analysis, the eigenvectors of a correlation or covariance matrix are commonly calculated. The directions along which a linear transformation flips, compresses, or stretches are known as eigenvectors. So to put it simply to you guys, vector, once you hear that word, vector, eigenvector, you guys should know vectors have direction, and that is why eigenvectors are basically pointing or alluding to the directions along which a linear transformation flips, compresses, or stretches. So that's what we have there. Now, data science interview question number 29. What is the purpose of resampling? So in one of these situations, a resampling is used. Number 1, using subsets of accessible data or drawing randomly with replacements from a set of data points to estimate the accuracy of sample statistics. Number 2, when running significant tests, substituting labels on data points. Number 3, using random subsets to validate models, bootstrapping, or cross-validation. So that is what we have there, the purpose of resampling. Now, let us move on to question number 30. What is meant by selective bias? So in general, selection bias is a problem in which inaccuracy is created due to a non-random population sample. In simple terms, a simple one-liner, guys, selective bias. So Data science interview question number 31. What are the different kinds of biases that can occur during sampling? Here are a few: selection bias, undercoverage bias, and survivorship bias. Now we have data science interview question number 31. So this is actually supposed to be number 30. Yeah, so I actually duplicated an article. My apologies for that, guys. So data science interview question number 32. What are the general steps to create a random forest? Here are some steps. This technique's underlying idea is that combining numerous weak learners creates a strong learner. The following are measures to take. Number 1. Create numerous decision trees using bootstrapped training data samples. Number 2. On each tree, a random sample of predictors is picked as split candidates out of all PP predictors each time a split is evaluated. Number 3. Rule of thumb: M equals PM equals P at each split. Number 4. Predictions are made based on the majority rule. And that is a simple explanation, guys, we have for the general steps to create a random forest. So this video is clocking about 6 minutes or so, and we have covered 7 questions in this video. So I'd like to end this video here, guys. With that, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for staying till the end of the video. Good luck with your work, and I will see you in the next YouTube video.